In the world of emergency preparedness, choosing the right food supply is crucial. Today, we're comparing two top contenders: Compact Provisions BP5's Vanilla 3-pack and Non-Perishable Survival Rations. Compact Provisions BP5's Vanilla 3-pack. Packed with 2,430 calories and 63 grams of protein per box, this option promises both sustenance and satisfaction. The vanilla flavoring adds a touch of sweetness, making it a welcome choice during emergencies. Non-Perishable Survival Rations. Focused on longevity, these rations offer reliability for disaster kits. While not as flavorful, they provide a solid backbone for emergency preparedness. Taste test. Compact Provisions offers a more palatable option with its vanilla flavoring, while Non-Perishable Survival Rations prioritize longevity over taste. Nutritional value. Both options offer similar calorie counts, but Compact Provisions takes the lead in protein content. Final verdict. Both Compact Provisions BP5's Vanilla 3-pack and Non-Perishable Survival Rations have their strengths. The former excels in taste and protein content, while the latter prioritizes longevity. The choice depends on personal preference and priorities.